Hello woodworkers, DIYers, and tool lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the 20 genius woodworking tools under $100 on Amazon. Affordable, practical, and built to make your projects faster, easier, and way more fun. From pocket hole alignment clamps and must-have woodworking accessories to measuring tools you didn't know existed. These are the game changers every woodworker needs in their workshop. Stick around till the end, because some of these woodworking tools are pure genius. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tools, woodworking gadgets, and Amazon finds every week. Precision and accuracy are essential for woodworking, engineering, and construction projects. The CCIEAO 3D Multi-Angle Carpenter Square is a protractor, a 22.5 to 90 degree aluminum alloy multi-angle measuring ruler designed for professional results. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with a smooth anodized green finish, it offers durability, wear resistance, lightweight construction, and corrosion resistance for a long service life. This high-precision drawing line ruler includes 1/16" increment holes for accurate measurements and clean parallel lines, with a snug sliding fit for stability, featuring multiple functions such as calibration, measurement, and marking. It works as a protractor and square. Ideal for mortises, tenons, and detail layout work, this tool delivers reliable precision every time. Accuracy and efficiency are the foundation of successful woodworking projects. The Eleon Procision woodworking set includes 3 rulers with an extra-wide 2-inch sliding attachment and a stainless steel mechanical pencil to deliver unmatched precision. Featuring ruler markings in millimeters and inches, this set ensures versatile measurement options for every task. The extra-wide sliding attachment offers steady, flawless lines, while the quick setup block allows for fast adjustments on table saws, drill presses, or router tables. Designed with hassle-free holes to lock sliders in place, it eliminates tedious readjustments. Compact, durable, and efficient. This set optimizes woodworking with confidence, helping professionals and DIYers achieve perfect cuts every time. Strong, precise joints are essential for professional quality woodworking. The Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp ensures a flush pocket hole joint every time by perfectly aligning and holding the joint while it's screwed together. Its 9.5mm nylon pin fits directly into drilled pocket holes, ensuring accuracy and stability. Built with an aluminum construction for optimum strength-to-weight ratio, it features a ratchet handle to minimize interference with the workpiece, and a quick-release button for fast adjustments across varying material thicknesses. The rolled steel fine thread provides smooth clamping action, while the non-marring clamp pad prevents damage to surfaces. A reliable, durable solution for seamless woodworking alignment. Clean, precise edges are essential for achieving a professional woodworking finish. The Kimgsoak Edge Banding Trimmer delivers smooth, effortless cuts, producing beautiful long shavings while leaving a flush finish that reduces the need for sanding. Made from high-density aluminum alloy with a wear-resistant coating, this durable tool is built for long-lasting performance. Its razor-sharp HSS blade is adjustable, replaceable, sharpenable, and easy to clean, ensuring consistent trimming quality. Suitable for PVC, ABS, melamine, veneer, and more, it offers wide applicability. A thickened wear-resistant pad and premium rubber blade pad protect the board surface, preventing slips. Easy to use, this edge trimmer ensures happy, efficient woodworking results. Strong, invisible joints are essential for professional quality woodworking projects. The HOWOD Pocket Hole Jig Kit delivers accuracy, durability, and efficiency with its professional metal pocket screw jig system. It includes upgraded 3-pack sharp and durable 3/8" titanium drill bits, offering extreme sharpness and long-lasting performance for smooth, clean holes every time. Built with heavy-duty precision machined metal and hardened steel guide holes, it fits wood from 1/2 inch to 3 1/8 inches thick, with slider markings in both imperial and metric. The detachable vacuum adapter ensures dust-free drilling, keeping your workspace clean. Reliable and trusted, this jig eliminates complex measuring and creates flawless hidden joints for DIY and professional woodworking projects. Securing materials firmly in place is crucial for safe and accurate woodworking. The ViewReal dog hole clamp offers a reliable solution with its 3/4-inch aluminum bench dog clamp design, available in a convenient 2-pack. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and alloy steel screws, it ensures long-lasting durability while remaining lightweight and easy to use. Its anti-twist shaft grips wood securely in 19mm dog holes, providing a strong clamping force with a dependable hex screw connection. Upgraded silicone pads protect wood surfaces, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Universally compatible with most workbenches, this clamp installs quickly, stores easily, and is ideal for woodworking and hobbyist projects. Every workshop needs a dependable tool to hold materials steady for cutting, drilling, or shaping. The VEVOR bench vise delivers strength and versatility with its heavy-duty ductile iron body and anti-rust powder coating surface for long-lasting durability. Featuring a 6.5-inch forward jaw opening with reverse mounting to increase width, this vise includes replaceable serrated carbon steel jaws and a built-in pipe clamp with V-shaped clamping jaws for secure gripping of flat or round objects. Its 360-degree swivel locking base allows full flexibility, while updated accessories like nuts, screws, and magnetic jaw pads ensure easy installation. With 2 clamping structures and wide application, it's a multifunctional vise built for tough projects. Accuracy and efficiency are essential in woodworking projects, and having the right tool can make all the difference. Meet the THORVALD Carpenter Tools, a 6-in-1 carpenter square that combines multiple functions into one compact design, acting as a wrench, square, protractor, ruler, marking gauge, and drill gauge. It eliminates the need for a bulky toolbox. Made of 4mm thick aluminum, it is lightweight, durable, and features laser-engraved markings that won't fade. With 1/16-inch graduations, it ensures precise measurements for professional quality work. The included 2-in-1 carpentry pencil offers comfort and versatility with its removable grip and deep hole marker function, helping you work faster and smarter on every project. For crafting, repairs, or light-duty professional work, a reliable stapling tool is essential to achieve clean, secure results. The Arrow Staple Gun is a professional light-duty option built with the same durability as heavy-duty models. Featuring an all-chrome steel housing, rear load magazine, and a convenient staple viewing window, it ensures ease of use and long-lasting performance. Designed for JT21 staples of all sizes, it provides a fine wire alternative, ideal for fabric, paper, cardboard, and thin plastic projects. Perfect for upholstery, decorating, crafts, and general repairs. This staple gun combines strength, precision, and convenience, making it a trusted tool for both casual and professional applications. Clean air and efficient dust collection are vital for safe and effective shop work. Meet Dustopper Pro, the original patented low-profile dust separator, designed for shop wet-dry vacuums, fitting standard 5-gallon buckets with ease. Collecting more than 99.9% of typical shop dust, it protects filters and saves money on replacements. Compatible with most shop vacuums and tools, it works best with 5GP or higher. This versatile tool separates dust, debris, liquids, and even pet hair, making it useful both in the shop and around the house. Featuring a clear top inspection, durable anti-static resin, a grounding lug, and high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows, it ensures efficiency, durability, and easy bucket emptying. Accurate, straight cuts are essential for professional quality woodworking and home improvement projects. The Kreg Straight Edge Guide transforms most circular saws, jigsaws, or trim routers into precision edge-guided tools. Designed for cross-cuts and rip cuts, its 8-foot aluminum guide rail ensures clean, accurate cuts every time. Cut line indicators help position cuts perfectly, while the anti-slip clamp secures the guide to materials up to 8 feet long. Compatible with both right and left-handed circular saws, it offers versatility for any workshop. Ideal for carpentry, DIY, and home improvement tasks, the Kreg Straight Edge Guide bridges the gap between your ideas and precise woodworking results. Proper fastening is crucial for durability and a flawless finish in composite decking projects. The Trex Hideaway color match screws are engineered specifically for Trex's proprietary shell core and colors, ensuring a perfect blend with your decking. Featuring the fastener point, these screws penetrate Trex's high-performance shell with ease, while the unique thread design and patented hex sticks drive technology provide fast, wobble-free installation. Reverse threads and head design prevent mushrooming, and epoxy-coated heads resist color fade and corrosion. Available in 75, 350, and 1,400 count packs with hex sticks drive bits. They are ideal for transcend, select, and enhanced decking lines, guaranteeing strength, longevity, and aesthetic appeal. Efficient and precise drilling is essential for tackling a wide range of DIY and professional projects. The WORKPRO Tools Drill Driver Set delivers high performance with 203 inch-pounds of torque, powered by a rechargeable 1.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. It features dual speed settings, a 21-position adjustable clutch, and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck for versatile use. The soft grip handle and trigger switch ensure comfort and control, while the built-in LED light illuminates work areas for safety. An attachable clip allows convenient storage on a belt, and the magnetic base holds bits or screws. The kit includes a charger, bit set, and lightweight storage bag for complete, long-lasting functionality. Keeping your workspace clean and protected is crucial during woodworking and craft projects. The Rockler Silicone Project Mat offers a durable, reusable solution with its extra-large size of nearly 2 feet wide and 30 inches long, and an 1/8-inch thick silicone material. Its interlocking channels allow multiple mats to connect, covering large surfaces. Glues and finishes, including yellow PVA wood glue, peel off easily, ensuring mess-free use. The soft, ribbed surface protects fragile materials, finished surfaces, and holds parts securely during sanding or assembly. Easy to clean, roll up, and store, the mat always lays flat again, making it ideal for glue-ups, sanding, and delicate project work. Accurate measurements are essential for efficiency and precision in any woodworking or construction project. The REEKON caliber measuring tool revolutionizes traditional measuring by providing a fully integrated, augmented system that outputs the linear measurement of anything slid underneath it. Its large backlit screen displays English or metric units clearly in various lighting conditions. The dynamic spring-loaded arm adjusts automatically to different materials, geometries, and thicknesses, while clamping directly onto most saw fences and compensating for blade thickness. This allows uninterrupted, precise cutting. Quick to set up, the M1 caliber lets users zero the reading, slide materials, and cut accurately, significantly speeding up projects while ensuring professional-level precision. Precise and strong joints are essential for high-quality woodworking projects. The AONLLEN Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer offers a versatile solution for creating durable and accurately aligned joints. Featuring a dual spindle design, it allows double or single drilling for fast, precise joinery. The adjustable tilt fence locks anywhere from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with built-in stops, accommodating a wide range of angled joints. A precision rack and pinion system ensures accurate height and material thickness adjustments, while variable drill depth meets exact joint requirements. The included 2.8mm bits fit 6 to 12mm dowels. A dust port supports extraction, and the clear viewing screen enables safe, accurate alignment with ergonomic top grip handles for comfort. A reliable adhesive tool is essential for crafting, repairs, and small projects. The WORKPRO Hot Glue Gun is a cordless upgrade designed for convenience and efficiency. Its innovative MCH heating system warms up in just 2 minutes, while the intelligent power-off system and lithium-ion battery provide up to 100 minutes of continuous use. The glue gun dispenses at more than double the rate of standard models, and its nozzle prevents drips and leaks. USB charging completes in under 2 hours, and the set includes 20 mini premium glow sticks, along with a quick charging AC adapter, making it perfect for crafting, DIY repairs, and versatile project work. A versatile striking tool is essential for woodworking, DIY projects, and delicate surface work. The TOOLEAGUE hammer set includes a 16-ounce rubber mallet and a 35mm double-faced soft mallet, perfect for camping, flooring, landscaping, and tent stakes. The small, double-sided head offers excellent abrasion resistance and resilience, while the soft rubber protects surfaces like tiles and vinyl from damage. Its ergonomic PP plus TPR fiberglass handle absorbs shock, reduces vibration, and prevents slippage, providing comfort during prolonged use. The mallet head and handle use reliable embedding technology, ensuring a secure connection that resists loosening or breaking. Durable, wear-resistant, and shock-proof, this hammer set delivers safety, comfort, and long-lasting performance for all your projects. Accurate and secure adhesion is essential for precise woodworking and CNC operations. The XFasten double-sided woodworking tape is a 1-inch by 108-foot heavy-duty residue-free tape designed for router templates, CNC machines, and woodworking tools. It offers high initial bonding strength while remaining surface safe and removable without leaving residue. Ideal for CNC workpiece holding, edge banding, veneer splicing, and tear-out prevention. It ensures smooth, damage-free results. The industrial-grade adhesive provides excellent adhesion and optimal thickness, while the cloth backing prevents curling and unnecessary tearing. Easy to peel and manage, this tape reduces setup time and effort, making it a reliable, efficient, and essential tool for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike. Precision and accuracy are crucial for successful woodworking and crafting projects. The GRENPRO woodworking tools offer a comprehensive combination set, including a 7-inch Carpenter square, a 12-inch square ruler, a small bubble level, and a protractor angle ruler. Crafted from premium aluminum zinc alloy, these tools provide durability and long-lasting performance for various woodworking applications. Precision measurement markings in both metric millimeter and SAE inch ensure accurate cuts and alignments. The lightweight yet sturdy design, combined with textured edges and a locking mechanism, provides a secure grip during use. Portable and easy to store, this versatile set is an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit for professionals and hobbyists alike. And that's our roundup of the 20 genius woodworking tools under $100 on Amazon. Which of these tools would make the biggest difference in your workshop? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these woodworking tools, smash that like button, share this video with your DIY friends and woodworking community, and make sure to subscribe for more Amazon woodworking tools, carpentry gadgets, and smart DIY gear. Stay creative, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.